any container. We can grow mushrooms in baskets. We can grow them in a humidity box. We can grow them in cupboards. We can grow them on shelves. But if you want to go commercial, that you have to grow in a cropping house. And a space of about 15 feet by 15 feet can crop about 2,500 bags. And that is giving you about 500 to 600 kilos of mushrooms in 2 months. And right now we are selling a kilo for about 12,000 cedis. So that is quite some money, about 3 to 4 million for the 2 months. If you give the mushrooms the right environment, right in terms of the right relative humidity, the right aeration, the right light content in your cropping house, you are sure to make very good flushes within the 2 months of cropping.
The straw mushroom is produced in tropical and subtropical countries. And Ghana being a tropical country, we encourage the production of the straw mushroom on a household basis or as a commercial, for a commercial purpose. Producing it on a household basis, there are several methods that are used to do so. For instance, the use of locally available materials such as byproducts of agric, peels of cassava, cocoa yam and yams, rice straw, maize straw, cotton waste, sugarcane bagasse, and then water hyacinth can all be used to produce oil palm mushroom. We also use other materials such as the oil palm fiber or the bunch itself. After shaking process has been used to remove the fruits, the bunches left, we also use that one to produce the straw mushroom. The major method that is used in the production of this variety is the low bed method. In fact, is the current one that we use. Even though it's not all that very good, it is the recommended method that we are using. There are other methods such as the indoor method and then the peat methods, which are the old types of methodologies used in the production of this variety. To produce straw mushrooms using the low bed method, you need the raw materials as I stated earlier on, and you need a wooden box and then polythene sheets and also straw mats or any type of a straw which can serve for the purpose of mulching. When you gather these materials, especially the straws, you need to soak them overnight. When it is the peels of yam, cocoa yam, etc., you need to soak them within the next 3 to 4 hours before it is used. First of all, you have to start by preparing a place for this mushroom to be cultivated. It is preferable to use maybe some uncompleted homes nearer to you, where you have a cemented platform to prevent attack by termites and other soil organisms. You can also prepare just the ordinary soil near your house or behind your residence to do this production. There are some of the soils which has termites in them, and on the local basis you can use rock salt or wood ash to treat the soil, flood it with water, and allow it to stand for about 5 to 7 days before you prepare your beds. In preparing the bed, what you need to do is to put the wooden box on the ground and then put the soaked substrate, remove it from the water and put it into the box. Compress it with your fist or your feet to the best level, and each level should be about 3 inches or 4 inches high. Then you can use the spawn or the seed of the mushroom, the straw mushroom, to inoculate it. Somebody would like to know, where do we get these straw mushroom spawns from? The Full Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research is currently the only authority that is producing these mushroom spawns for all farmers.